how to fix Roblox lag and boost performance. The first step to making your game run smoothly is to lower the graphics settings. You can reduce them gradually until your game stops lagging, but here I will lower everything at once. To do this, press ESC, go to settings, find graphics mode and switch it to manual. If it's set to automatic, next go to graphics quality, move it to the first box and press ESC to return. Now let's remove temporary files. Press Windows plus R together and in the box that appears type temp. A folder with files will open. Select everything by pressing Ctrl plus A and then hit delete again. Press Windows plus R, type %10% and repeat the process of deleting all files in that folder. Next, go to your desktop and empty your recycle bin to activate it, and that's it. Your game is now lag free. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.